Oh, have you ever heard of time dilation? Quite baffling, right? Confusing it may sound, yet there could be a simpler explanation for it. This is Mary Janelle of Tagbina National High School, and this is time dilation explained through twin paradox. A discovery at the turn of the 20th century fundamentally altered the way we understood relativity. Time is no longer absolute, but is relative. Now, let me ask you, do you ever imagine the time stretching like a rubber band? What if I tell you that it somehow does? And this is how it happens. This is my twin, and she is an astronaut who is about to venture through space. As the astronaut twin returned to Earth, we can see a significant gap between her and her twin sister's age. And this phenomenon is what we call the twin paradox. As what I have told earlier, time is relative. This concept was mentioned in Einstein's theory of special relativity back in the 1905. He explained that time passes at different rates. Either they slow down or speeds up, depending on the relative motion. This means that the faster you move relative to the speed of light, the slower time passes. And this is now what we call time dilation. But how does this really occur? During the launching of the astronaut twin space shuttle, a photon clock was placed inside of it, which consists of two parallel mirrors with a photon bouncing back and forth between them. The twin here on Earth also gets the same clock. Both clocks tick at the same speed, and the photon travels in vertical lines. But as the space shuttle starts to move, the astronaut twin observes the photon move diagonally. But as for the twin who remained on Earth and is not accelerating, her perspective is that the photon still moves vertically. Thus, when compared, the photon and the perspective of the astronaut twin moves or travels longer. Thus, time dilates. Mathematically, time dilation is t prime equals t multiplied to the square root of 1 minus v squared over c squared. To think about time in this way may seem a little out of ordinary, yet from our vantage point, time has seemed to pass steadily for us. But as what the concept suggests, time is an illusion after all.